Let's take a look at the basic components of manual HR systems. Very small employers may start with manual human resource management systems. In practice, this generally means obtaining and organizing a set of standardized personnel forms covering each aspect of an HR process, as well as some means for organizing all this information for each of your employees. The number of forms you would conceivably need, even for a small firm, is quite large. One simple way to obtain a manual system's basic forms is from websites that provide compilations of HR forms. Numerous office supply stores and direct mail catalog companies also sell HR materials. These can be adapted from their sources for your particular situation. There are also various legal compliance forms as well as posters available.